What if the real reason you're feeling exhausted, foggy, anxious, or dealing with symptoms no one can explain isn't showing up on your medical tests at all? Because what if the problem isn't in your blood work? What if it exists deeper, at the cellular level? Today, millions of people are struggling with fatigue, brain fog, inflammation, anxiety, and unexplained health challenges, even after seeing multiple doctors and running countless tests. And yet they keep hearing the same frustrating words: everything looks normal. But what if everything isn't normal? What if traditional testing simply isn't looking in the right place? Because many imbalances begin at the cellular level, where the body's communication, energy, and healing processes actually start. The missing piece. Most people never hear. But here's what most people don't realize: your body is constantly communicating. Every cell in your body sends and receives signals directing how your organs function, how your immune system responds, how your brain processes information, and how your body repairs itself. When those communication signals are clear and balanced, your body operates the way it was designed to. You feel energized, clear headed, calm, healthy. But when those signals become disrupted by chronic stress, environmental toxins, emotional trauma, infections, or inflammation, the body's communication system begins to break down. Cells start sending distorted signals. Systems fall out of sync. And that's when symptoms begin to appear: fatigue, brain fog, pain, anxiety, digestive issues, inflammation. And the reason traditional testing often misses this is because most medical tests are looking for structural damage or disease, but the earliest signs of imbalance don't always show up there. They show up in the body's communication patterns first. That's why so many people feel terrible, while their test results still appear normal. Introducing the solution today, we offer something called an advanced cellular health assessment. This assessment allows us to analyze patterns of imbalance within the body using a small DNA sample, completely remotely and non-invasively. By analyzing the body's energetic stress patterns, we can often identify hidden dysfunctions and underlying imbalances that traditional approaches frequently overlook. And once we understand what's actually happening inside your system, we can create a personalized protocol designed to help restore balance and support your body in feeling like itself again. The frustration many people feel: if you've tried everything, different doctors, different tests, different treatments, different medications, and you're still not feeling like yourself, you're not alone. Many people today are exhausted from searching for answers. Tired of being told to just live with it, tired of medications that manage symptoms but often create new side effects, and worst of all, many begin to feel like their body has somehow betrayed them. But what if your body isn't broken? What if it's simply out of balance? That's where the advanced cellular health assessment comes in.
I felt hopeless. I felt lost. I was dealing with depression. I'm generally a holistic type natural person, and I started going on depression medication and just drowning my sorrows with alcohol. I didn't know what to do. They just get to the root issue. They did a bioscan of me. After 2 months of going, I felt like a new person. And I didn't have to stop my medication. It said, you're just going to feel like you don't need it anymore. Just keep going your treatments, and you're going to feel, and you don't have to stop drinking alcohol. Just keep going your treatments, and you're not going to feel the sense of needing to numb your pain anymore. And that's exactly what happened. Like, it all happened so naturally. And I started my business. It all just started to flow. And I've started to find joy in every single day. I used to kind of like dread waking up and just dread everything. And now I find joy in just the small things. If you're struggling with mental health or illness or anything, and you've tried everything, they've helped me and some of the closest people in my life, both family and friends. So definitely give them a try.
Using a small DNA sample, we analyze energetic stress patterns within the body. This process is completely non-invasive. It gives us insight into areas of imbalance, so we're not guessing. From there, we create a customized frequency protocol designed specifically for your system. Personalized, remote, no needles, no medications, no travel, just precision, energetic support from the comfort of your home. Authority and personal story. My name is Selena Capila. Decades ago, I faced one of the most challenging periods of my life when I was diagnosed with cervical cancer. That experience pushed me to search for answers beyond conventional medicine. What I discovered completely changed the trajectory of my life. Today, more than 20 years later, I am in perfect health. Since then, I've dedicated my life to studying the body's natural healing intelligence and helping others restore balance in their health.
I'm cancer-free now twice in a row with my blood work. My white blood count's normal. They're just super. They're sweet. They're loving. They're kind. Go get your diagnosis. You know, if you're sick, go get it. But once you get your diagnosis, the alternative therapy that they offer there can help many, many people with many, many things, including cancer. Top notch. And I'm so blessed that I have it as an option.
The changes are dramatically positive. I am back to work after a couple weeks now. I am feeling so much better every single day. And literally, my brain feels more balanced. I'm able to sit quietly now and back to my meditations, socializing and connection with people. The treatment is obviously cutting edge, science-based, and it's working for me. So, big gratitude.
I'm also the author of 5 books, and my work has been featured in international publications, including International Business Times and Wellness Voice. Over the years, I've worked with thousands of clients around the world, from busy professionals to children to athletes, helping them reconnect with their body's ability to restore balance. This work isn't about masking symptoms. It's about supporting your system at a deeper level so your body can do what it was designed to do: restore balance. Addressing skepticism. Now you might be wondering, can something like this really work remotely? That's a fair question. Healthy skepticism is normal, but the work we do is based on measurable energetic patterns within the body, not belief. In fact, we even work with animals using the same process, which shows this isn't dependent on expectation or placebo.
She had a little bit of an ailment, so we did a test, lifting her little nails, and they came back with some results of similar to what me and my husband have going through with different pathogens, which tells me that we do pass it on to one another. She sleeps in our bed, so it's better that she gets corrected so that we all don't keep passing it on to one another. But I also brought in here for a skin condition that the regular vets just couldn't find a reason. They gave me medicated shampoo and different things, and in 2 sessions she's better. And for the last 3 years she has not been running. She runs all the time now. She runs up to other dogs. She wants to play with them. She hops like a bunny. And this is all within 2 treatments. And I'm ecstatic at what they can do for animals. And when I found out that they do see dogs, horses, all kinds of animals, I booked an appointment.
Imagine this instead. Imagine waking up with clarity again. Imagine having steady energy throughout the day. Imagine not organizing your life around fatigue, discomfort, or stress. Imagine finally feeling empowered in your own body again.
Vaccine injury. My heart started beating pretty quickly and my body started to tremor. Went home, and by the next day, 90% of my shaking had stopped. It has been life-changing, and I know there's many other services offered here. I've heard about some other things to help people with ADD, which now I'm going to refer a family member to. So that is my testimony. This is the place you should be going to.
We went through the COVID, and that's when Celine stepped in. I was sitting there aspirating and couldn't breathe. I felt that healing. I felt the transition, and I got better and better and better. Finally, I got off the oxygen. I got off everything. Luckily, Kimmy had everything at home. And with Celine's help, it was just amazing. I mean, we got to go. Celine's help. Don't worry, it's going to be okay. And sure enough,
it is
after,
okay. Look at you now.
And I give it all to you.
It has been a journey. I was just not myself. Depression, anxiety. To this day, I don't think I'd be able to do the things I'm doing now.
And so we are incredibly grateful to everyone here for everything that they've done to get her to where she is today. So thank you.
Lung cancer ended up being practically nothing because of my treatments.
All my depression, all my anxieties were just out of the way. It felt like my brain was rewired.
Each time I do it, I get better sleep.
Tonight is completely gone.
Now I can walk again.
More relaxed.
I'm taking less meds. Just an overall improvement.
I felt focused. I was more alert.
I haven't had my headaches in 3 months.
Saw immediate improvement.
They're all at ease.
You know, my knees don't hurt or nothing. My arthritis is gone.
My speech, memory has improved a lot.
I would fidget a lot. That was just gone.
I am back talking.
You granted me the most inner peace, so thank you very much.
They're my angels.
Over the years, we've helped thousands of people restore balance in their health using this approach. If you're tired of guessing about your health, and you're ready to finally understand what your body has been trying to tell you, the next step is simple. Click the button below to schedule your advanced cellular health assessment. This non-invasive process analyzes your body's energetic stress patterns using a small DNA sample, allowing us to identify imbalances and create a personalized protocol designed specifically for you. No medications, no travel, no invasive testing, no unnecessary side effects, just real insight into what may be happening inside your body. Thousands of people around the world have already used this process to restore balance and reclaim their quality of life. And the best part is, your assessment will show us exactly where your body may be out of balance so we can design the right protocol for you. If you're ready to see what's possible for your body, click the button below and schedule your advanced cellular health assessment today.